So, the newly launched Google Pixel 8a has entered the market to compete in the budget smartphone segment, officially replacing its predecessor, the Google Pixel 7a, which debuted in 2023. Despite their similar appearances, the Pixel 8a boasts several significant improvements under the hood, making it notably superior. To make an informed decision, understanding the disparities between the Pixel 8a and the Pixel 7a is crucial. Let's delve deeper into these differences to determine which phone aligns best with your needs. In terms of design, the Pixel 8a shares similarities with its predecessor, albeit with some notable distinctions. Notably, the Pixel 8a introduces significant upgrades to the display. Both phones feature a 6.1 inches OLED panel with full HD resolution. However, the Pixel 8a elevates the viewing experience with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness, compared to the 90Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness of the Pixel 7a. These enhancements promise smoother and brighter visuals, significantly enhancing daily usability. From a durability standpoint, the Pixel 8a features a matte composite back and aluminum frame, akin to the Pixel 7a. Both models offer the same level of protection with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 cover glass and IP67 dust and water resistance, ensuring long-term durability. However, the Pixel 8a sports a more rounded body, compared to the squared appearance of the Pixel 7a. Additionally, while the Pixel 7a was available in charcoal, snow, sea, and coral, the Pixel 8a comes in obsidian, porcelain, bay, and aloe color options. Performance-wise, the Pixel 8a sees a notable boost over its predecessor. Equipped with the upgraded Google Tensor G3 chip, featuring Google's Titan M2 security coprocessor, the Pixel 8a offers enhanced CPU speeds and memory bandwidth, along with improved multitasking capability. Moreover, the Tensor G3 chip boasts a 10 times more intricate machine learning model than its predecessor, resulting in improved AI-driven functionalities such as Google Assistant and image recognition. Regarding battery life, the Pixel 8a packs a slightly larger battery, 4492 mAh compared to 4385 mAh, translating to a 15% improvement over the Pixel 7a. Both models promise a minimum of 24 hours of battery life with regular use, extendable up to 72 hours with Google's Extreme Battery Saver feature. Charging capabilities remain unchanged, with support for up to 18-watt wired charging and up to 7.5 watts of Qi wireless charging. In terms of camera setup, the Pixel 8a retains the same configuration as the Pixel 7a, featuring a 64-megapixel main camera, 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 13MP front camera. However, the Pixel 8a introduces new camera software features such as Best Take and Magic Editor, enhancing the overall photography experience. In conclusion, the Pixel 8a presents substantial upgrades over its predecessor, including improvements in display, performance, battery life, and camera software. While existing Pixel 7a users may find the Pixel 8a a tempting upgrade, those on a tight budget may opt for the Pixel 7a, especially if its price drops significantly after the launch of the Pixel 8a. However, for most users, the Pixel 8a offers a compelling package with enhanced features and fresh color options, making it a standout choice in the budget smartphone market. So, what do you guys think about the Pixel 8a and the Pixel 7a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.